Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be showing you everything from scratch, from hydration to foundation to my eye makeup look and my lips, except for my brows. I did them off camera. If you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get started. We're working with 4 hydrating products: toner, lebelage sun cream protection, Nivea aftershave lotion, and primer from MAC. To my roche-posay tinted cream. It's super orangey. That's why I'm going to be needing corrector palettes. Underneath, I'll go with purple. I don't really do much. And green, I have olive undertone. I use half a pump of the product. And with the foundation brush, I'll grab a little bit and place it on top. Let's blend this out. Too much product might crease a little bit fast, so I add minimum product and it's given natural finish. And this formula is a little bit dry, keep it in mind, but it wears really well throughout the day. If you have oily skin, I guess this is a great option. Let's use a little bit of bronzer. I'm going fluffy brush and placing this on the sides. I might add a bit over nose tip. Sephora Skin 11 Concealer is going over forehead, nose, on the sides of the face, under my contour, and over my chin. L.A.Girl, I'm placing underneath my eyes. This formula is drier and it's wearing so much better. It's not getting stuck in the fine line really quick. Makeup Revolution loose powder with the slightest amount. I'll set the whole face using big and fluffy brush. But I'll try to avoid this area where I placed bronzer as much as possible. And let's contour my face. This is contour. It's cool tone brown. Really soft shade, close to my natural skin tone. And then I will use the same brush. We're going to add a tiniest bit. Tap in first, like that. And then bring this up. With an angle brush, I'll do the sides of the nose, really close to the nose bridge, but I'm not dragging this too far to the sides of the nose. e.l.f. bronzer palette, mix in 2 of these shades, tapping this off, and bring over forehead, tip of the nose. MUA blush with an angle brush. MUA highlighter with a highlighter brush from e.l.f. Let's fix everything with the Catrice Ultra Last Fix and Spray. I will not recommend this product. I believe this one is really oily. If you have dry skin, maybe that might work for you, and it's given too much product. You need to place this from really far distance from your face. It's just too much product and it's a little bit oily. Lightly dab in with the beauty blender. My final step is cream palette. Both of this blush you can go with or pick one and place on top. This is my favorite routine that I do a lot. Your skin is looking alive when you do cream blush on top of your complexion. And on top, I'm going with a cream highlighter from the same palette. While the creams are wet, go back with the same highlighter on top. I'm gonna do real quick my brows off camera because, well, I do this almost every single video. I'm gonna start with my eye makeup look, and today we're gonna be focusing on really beautiful rich color from Fenty Beauty. This is color 498. Today I wanted to do something deep and pretty. But first I'm gonna go with my NYX primer. Sometimes I use this concealer as my lipstick. I'll go over in the center of my lid with the brush. I will make sure that it's well blended with a tapping motion and really close to my brow bone. I'm feathering out the concealer. But it takes time, guys, to blend out this shade. It takes time. I want to set my lid with a flat brush, this chocolatey shade. I'm tapping and patting the color on top of my shade, but I don't really want to bring this over my crease. I feel like the intensity of the color should stay underneath my crease. And then with the same brush, I blended out this concealer. I'm gonna blend out, diffuse this chocolatey color. I have NYX Ultra Pearl Mania. Honestly, I don't even remember where I got it from, but I want to add a little bit of this glitter over my eye with a flat brush. And I don't really want to bring this further. I'm placing this in the inner corner and to the middle part of the lid. I need black eyeliners, and I want to leave a space in the outer corner. Then finally, with the same Fenty Beauty concealer, I will do the same deep rouge shade, a small dot, Let's use the same chocolatey brown set. And maybe add a little bit of my ultra long-lasting eye pencil. I have a glitter goals. I'm gonna go and grab my aloe vera because aloe vera is a great substitution to a glue. And then we're gonna choose the color, fill in, and coat lashes. Well, I'm gonna do purple. Well guys, and finally I'm gonna do my lip. It's gonna be super simple, a little bit dark, but I don't really want to do a gothic lip with this Parisa Cosmetics Ultra Long Lasting 502 color. It's dark gray shade. I will contour my lip. And let's do Givenchy lip gloss. This is color 16 Black. Isn't that the prettiest black lip gloss you've ever seen? Well guys, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me. It's a little bit dark, but I love dark glam. It feels sexy, bold, pretty, and this is a perfect combination for night out, clubbing, you know, meeting your boyfriend, or just hanging out and looking really pretty. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Get ready with me, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.